Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, the Swedish investor shares a list of 7 recommended books on investing, ranked from the simplest to understand to more advanced. 1. The Little Book That Beats the Market, Squirrel Greenblatt. This book introduces the magic formula for stock screen, emphasizing the importance of returns on assets and price-earnings ratio. 2. Born Up on Wall Street account. Peter Lynch, known for his successful management of the Magellan Fund, advises investors to use their existing knowledge and provides insights into stock selection. 2. In University of Berkshire Hathaway, Daniel Picard. This book compiles insights from Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder meetings over 30 years, offering valuable wisdom from Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. 4. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, Philip Fisher. Philip Fisher's book explores the concept of buying great companies and holding on to them for the long term with a focus on thorough research and understanding. 5. The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. Often considered the Bible of value investing, this book covers intrinsic value, the concept of Mr. Market, and the importance of a margin of safety. 6. The Essays of Warren Buffett. Clarence Cunningham compiles key takeaways from Warren Buffett's annual shareholder letters, offering valuable insights on various aspects of investing. 7. Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham, magnum opus. This comprehensive book delves into qualitative and quantitative analysis, financial statements, portfolio structure, and market discrepancies. Each book on this list provides valuable lessons for investors at different stages of their journey, from beginners to advanced practitioners. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.